I think we are meeting first time. I don't know about you, you don't know about me. So you should start
Yeah.
from the introduction and then we will start like topic basis, otherwise we are talking a several way. So you should start first
Good.
introduce self. Okay, you should start
Yeah,
first,
of
then I will
course.
start.
Okay. So I am Satya from Aurangabad, and as far as my qualification is concerned, I did graduation. Right now, I'm doing master in English, and I'm an English trainer. I'm teaching in my district, and now I have most of the students are learning English grammar, and also they are learning English spoken. And I'm married, and you was I think you Ta DP. She is my wife, and
Oh,
she's also learning English, and
okay.
she is preparing for BPSC exam.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It was impressive interview. You have mentioned many points about your introduction. So if I
Yeah,
talk
of course.
myself, my name is Umar. Basically, I am from Bihar, but nowadays I am living in Delhi. Uh, my
Mhm.
higher education going there. I am pursuing a bachelor degree course in the university. I am second student in political science. This is my
Okay. As I
short
told you,
introduction. Yeah,
as you told me, you are from Bihar.
yeah, I am from Bihar. Yeah, exactly.
In which district you are from?
Yeah, Araria district. Araria district. Do you know the Araria?
Yeah, of course. No, I am from Aurangabad.
Aurangabad. Yeah, oh, exactly.
Mm.
Okay, this is good. So you are a teacher. You are the like you have done masters in English. So it maybe you have to know about the English. Right now you are running as like a class. So tell me something
Mm.
about like why do we learn English? Like I am from also Bihar, but when I was in a Bihar, no any kinds of such a environment, so I could not like better in English in a Bihar. But right now I live in Delhi, so I know about the relevant of English. So I know try level my best to speak English in front of the public, in front of the like friends in the college. So I'm giving my level best. So according to you, how to be set up by such environment in a Bihar also?
Yeah, starting time I had also faced a lot of problems while learning English because uh, we were not getting such an environment where we could do practice. So I was living in Patna and I joined one of the institutes, British Lingua. I did classes there 4 to 5 months, but I couldn't think I got any improvement there because they taught only English grammar and words daily use sentences, and I think that were not enough for me. But when I started practicing with my some of the friends, I really got a lot of achievement in me, and right now I'm in front of you.
Okay. Yeah, exactly. I am also observing myself in a Bihar, especially going on only for the grammatical, theoretical, but not focusing on the practical way. Is it good you mentioned about like exactly this is the way are going on Bihar, but
Mm.
we should start like and speaking first, then we'll be like able to speak English. Right now you have mentioned about like you did a class in a, like a Patna, but you haven't any kinds of improvement. But right now you have given your level best. Every day you did practice on the pad, so I think you
Mm.
are doing the well. So my question is different, but why did not happen such kinds of atmosphere environment created in a Bihar? Why the people how to be changed such a like a like thought like thinking not only for focusing only the theoretical things. Maybe should start only the practical things also. Like the in
Okay,
a Bihar basically are going on to like phobia of the grammar phobia. People are saying without
mm,
grammar you will not be able to speak English. So you are a
mm.
teacher, so you are like running a such kinds of institute, so you may know knowledge about this. So how to be change such a kinds of like atmosphere, such kinds of mentality in a Bihar.
Mm.
So according to you, please express some point, some thought.
Of course, I will express some points and thoughts. But could you repeat your question again?
So my question is that like you are from Bihar, I am from Bihar, but
Mm,
right now you are giving your best as like a teacher, as like a mentor, in especially in
yeah.
English field. But how to be
Mm,
changed the mentality in a especially in Bihar peoples? Like Bihar peoples, like we can say that like a public phobia, grammar phobia, vocab phobia. Like people are saying without grammar, without like like a theoretical knowledge, you will not be able to speak English. No anybody to show the interest in English. So according to you, how to change the mentality in especially Bihar people? So I have seen a lot of like states peoples are there in Delhi, those who are able to speak English, but especially in the Bihar peoples are not able to speak English, like saying no any kinds of the good infrastructure in a Bihar, so I am not able, I could not able. These like excuses are given every day in our college students also, in my classmate colleagues. So according to you, how to be changed the mentality of the people in a Bihar especially?
yeah, really, I am agree with you. I think most of the teachers are also not comfortable in English in Bihar because they are teaching English. They know very well grammar topics, but they are not able to talk in English, and that's why some of the time, hello,
Yeah, I'm listening you.
yeah,
Hello,
some
I'm listening you, bro.
yeah, some of the times also tell us without grammar, without words, we can't speak English. So we have a lot of fears. If they can tell me ki without English, without grammar and without words, we can't speak English. That fears came in our mind also, and that's why uh, we don't do practice with anyone. And this is the also main factor of Bihari and mostly states just like Jharkhand and UP, Bihar and Bengal. The students of these states are very weak in English because we also learn English by our regional language to connect in English. As like some of the rules, some of the Hindi, you can say Hindi structures. ता है ती है रहा रही चुका चुकी, these are the problems of these states students.
Okay. Really, you mentioned the best point about like in Bihar. Yeah, exactly. Not as the basic problem, like prime problem, like convert the language. We are not directly to focusing it. Like we are going to the structure basis. We are going to like a, such a example you mentioned like chuka hai, chuki hai. Then we are correct. Like anybody like speaking English, someone has like, interrupt in between like second form, third form. The people are saying no, you are speaking wrong. It is also interesting point. I am really agree with your point. So, do you have any question you can ask me like a several conversation because I don't know much more about you. So we are first meeting. So of course you can talk to me like any severally. So you
Okay,
have any questions so you can ask me.
of course, I have many questions for you. Okay,
Yeah, okay,
you are
okay.
living Delhi. You are preparing for any job?
Yeah, right now,
You,
but right now, yeah, exactly. I am right now I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree, but in my
Mhm,
completing my graduation, then I will think such a kinds of exam like a general competition.
mhm.
Yeah, this kinds of thing like you have already told like your wife is also preparing the BPSC. So I am also
Mm,
arts student. So you have seen my like a this kinds of things. Have you seen like
yeah.
map in my room one map there? Yeah.
Ha, I'm seeing. I'm
Okay.
looking at your app. So, do you know how can you tell me as you know English and you are also comfortable while talking with anyone? So, could you
Yeah,
tell me
exactly.
tips for Bihari? That's why they can learn English easily.
Yeah, exactly. I can say there are multiple factors should be the apply and it is able to speak English. First of all, first of all, those teachers who are learning like such kinds of things, first of all, you have to change the mentality. Like not be
Mhm,
saying you are not back like you are not from this kinds of background, you are not able to speak English. Never. First of all, those teachers who are like teaching, so you should start first speaking English because this is the good impact in the students side. Otherwise, like I am a teaching, but I am not able to speak English. It is like bad impact because
Mhm.
I am also responsible because I am a teacher, but I am not speaking English. It is not good point. So you should start first those who are teaching. Okay. Second
Mm.
thing is like not be thinking about like a translate system. Like you are talking about chuka hai chuki hai. These things are always interrupting mind. Like people saying just I have like I have a 10. So you can sometimes I add. It is also sentences. It is like language is like a medium of communication. Like I am talking, you are talking, you are understanding, I am understanding. This is a language, not like no anybody like speaking completely exactly. So this is
Yeah.
the way to express. Sometimes, yeah, exactly. When I start speaking English, it's a lot huge mistake. Mistakes are
Mm.
not the like stopping point. Mistakes are like the correcting point. We can say without mistake, without like these things, without facing such a barrier, you will not be able to speak English. So in a Bihar peoples, I am just
Mm.
advising him like you should start speaking English as like an environment. Nowadays no any kinds of lacking environment. Right now you are speaking, I am speaking. This is environment, this is the online environment. Of course you can, if you have a courageous, so you can do anything. Not thinking like just I am only alone a person speaking and practicing English in the Bihar, in the like a district, in a village, no anybody support me. No, you have courage,
Mm.
you have like a curiosity, so you can do.
Yeah, of course. You have told very informative points. And as you know, mostly or most of the time, people think that when we have a good command on grammar, when we have a good command on vocabulary, then I will start it. And
Yeah.
doing all these, they are not perfect. Whenever we can't talk, we are not perfect. And I think no one is perfect in any language. We
Yeah,
all are
exactly.
learning is learning will go from all our life.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, definitely. You don't think about like just like you have told him. First of all, we should start like grammatical portion, like vocabulary portion. Then I will start like this thing. No, it is not way. When you do this, when you do speak also, because this is like part. There are four elements to learn any language, not only for English language, like speaking, writing, listening, and like watching. These kinds of things we should follow. Of course, definitely you can able to speak English. Problem is that like in our us like we are just thinking if I will be speak, so it may be a mistake. The people are saying no, you are speaking wrong. Don't be think about the people. No anybody do better without mistake. So we are human being. So it may be of course without mistake. How can I correct it? So don't think about like people's just like we can say is a like a way to learn better. Like my friend sometime, like my brother saying, me, "Oh wow, you are making like English." It is not like a negative point. You can say it is a positive point. You just say in a positive way. So right now he told us this point. It may be upcoming time I will improve. So he will not say again because you are saying, "Oh my God, he is learning well right now. He's performs better." So it may be he's also connecting with you. So much. How tell me some tips? How can I improve my English? So sometimes, like
Mm.
those who are making a barrier, sometimes we are like supporter. So don't be thinking like always we should try to make a pillar, never like killer. You will be a pillar, automatically you'll do the better.
Yeah, of course. Uh, so I think we have mentioned a lot of things um, to learn this language, and I think these are the points which are mostly imperative for everyone.
Yeah,
And if
exactly.
anyone follow it, they can learn English. So, brother, for today, I think it's over, and
Okay, okay,
we
no problem. Thank you so much. We have given you the best time and connecting